Wi-Fi masterpiece. Seamless Wi-Fi is truly a thing of beauty. Teco, paint your home in Wi-Fi.
You can make fresh homemade Greek yogurt without preservatives or additives like corn syrup and sugar. Now you know exactly what's in the yogurt you and your family eat. Everybody loves the delicious taste and healthy benefits of Greek yogurt. The thick, creamy texture, high protein, and healthy probiotics make Greek yogurt one of the best foods for you and your family. You don't need special powders or mixes. You just need milk and a little plain yogurt, and the Dash Greek Yogurt Maker does the rest. It's so easy. We've even included a recipe book and quick start dial to get you started. Finally, you and your family can enjoy all the benefits of making Greek yogurt at home with the Dash Greek Yogurt Maker. Dash. Unprocess your food.
The office, on the couch, wherever. Muscles in the back of your neck actually shorten, compressing the spine. And major compression means major pain. But neck pain is also caused by overstretched and strained muscles. When you bend your neck for texting or sitting with bad posture, every inch bent forward doubles the strain on your neck muscles. And your cervical spine loses its natural curve, compromising the alignment of your entire body. Using the neck hammock just 10 minutes a day restores this natural curve and relieves compression. As you rest, the neck hammock uses the power of cervical traction to gradually stretch and relax your neck muscles, decompressing the spine, restoring circulation, rehydrating herniated discs, reducing tension, and relieving dreaded text neck with a simple adjustment so that you can return to a state of awesome. Get back to your life. Get the neck hammock today.